how to delete Reels history on Facebook. So if you want to delete your Reels history on your Facebook, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the bottom, and then go with the upper left, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now once you tap on settings, you need to scroll down a bit and you will find an option of activity log. You need to tap on activity log, which is under your activity. Now here you need to just simply go with your activity history. Scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of activity history. Or you can also go with your Facebook activity, scroll down and you will have Reels. Go with the drop down, which will be on the right side, and tap on manage Reels. Now you just need to simply go with the right side, which has that 3 dots, and then delete all of these. Or if you find an option of activity history right here on the top, you can just simply go with your activity history and delete it. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.